Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem. And here we have a square equals to b plus 1 and b square equals to a plus 1, and we solve this problem for the values of a and b when our a is not equals to b. So here we have one restriction on a and b. These are distinct numbers. So here first we call this is our equation number 1, and we call this is our equation number 2. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when we add these two equations, so it means that we first add the left hand side, and its left hand side is a square plus b square, and its right hand side is b plus 1 plus a plus 1. So this is here we need little bit simplification, and we have a square plus b square equals to, this is b plus a, or we write it as a plus b, and this is 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So here we call this is our equation number 3. And now in the next step, here first we add equation number 1 and equation number 2, and now we just subtract equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when we subtract this, it means that the terms in the left hand side is subtracted with the terms in the right hand side. So we have a square minus b square is equals to b plus 1 minus a plus 1. So here we need to multiply this minus sign on each of these terms, and we get here b plus 1 minus a minus 1, and we just obtain here this negative and positive are gone, and we get here b minus a. And in the left hand side we have a nice square identity, and we know about this identity, a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So this is the our nice identity. Now we move these two terms in the left hand side, and it will be written as a minus b times of a plus b. So when we move this minus a in the left hand side, it will becomes plus a, and when we move this plus b in the left hand side, it will becomes minus b, and this whole is equals to 0. So in the next step, you see here clearly we have a minus b be the common factor, so that we take it common, and its remaining terms are a plus b plus, here we take common a minus b, and we just get here plus 1, and this whole is equals to 0. So in the next step, here we convert this in two cases. So our first case is we take a minus b equals to 0, and the second case is we take a plus b plus 1 equals to 0. So in this case we get here a equals to b, but in the given statement we are given that our a is not equals to b. So we cannot choose a equals to b, so that we rejected this case, and we can just proceed here this case only. And in this case we have the value of a plus b. Here we move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes a plus b equals to minus 1, and we call this is our equation number 4. So here we use this equation number 4 in equation number 3. So this is equation number 3, in which we have a square plus b square is equals to a plus b plus 2. So we substitute the value of a plus b in equation number 3. So here we just write from equation number 3. Now first we copy down equation number 3, and it will be written as a square plus b square is equals to a plus b plus 2. So here we substitute the value of a plus b here, and it will be written as minus 1 plus 2, and we have the value of a square plus b square is equals to plus 1. So this is the value of a square plus b square. Now after this step here we need to take the squaring on equation number 4, so that here we just write squaring on equation number 4 both sides. So you see that this is our equation number 4, in which we have a plus b equals to minus 1, and we take the squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as a plus b whole square equals to minus 1 square, and in the left hand side we use the nice square identity, and it will be written as a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab equals to minus 1 square becomes plus 1. So that here we use the value of a square plus b square, which is our equation number which will becomes equals to 1. Here we get this value, a square plus b square is 1. We use this value here using a square plus b square equals to 1. So we substitute this value here 1, and it will becomes 1 plus 2 times of ab equals to 1, and here we easily get the value of 2 times of ab is 0, and finally we get ab equals to 0. So if our ab equals to 0, it implies that a equals to 0 and b equals to 0. So from this we easily get the other pair of solutions. So here we call this is our a1 equals to 0, this is b1 equals to 0, and now we substitute this value of a1 equals to 0 is substitute in equation number 4, and this value is also put in equation number 4. So here we just first copy down equation number 4, and it is a plus b equals to minus 1, and here when we substitute a1 equals to 0, so you get here 0 plus, we call this is b1 equals to minus 1, so we have b1 equals to minus 1. So the first solution of this question is a1 and b1 equals to 0 and minus 1. And similarly, in this case we substitute b1 equals to 0 here, and we call this is a1 plus 0 equals to minus 1, and you easily get a1 equals to minus 1. So in this case we have the second solution of this question is here we just call this is b2 and this is a2 for distinguish this solution. Okay, so this is a2 and b2 equals to a2 is minus 1 and b2 is our 0. So these are the two solutions of this question. So now to verify or to check this solution, here we need to copy down the question statement, which is a square equals to b plus 1 and b square equals to a plus 1. So here we just first verify our first solution, it is a1 b1 equals to 0 minus 1, and when we substitute a1 and b1 in this question, so that we see here from first equation we have a square over a is 0, so 0 square equals to b is minus 1 plus 1, so 0 square is 0 and minus 1 plus 1 0. So our this solution is satisfy our first equation. And now similarly we substitute this solution in second equation, so we have the value of b is minus 1 square and a plus 1, so a is 0 and b plus 1, so minus 1 square is plus 1 and 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is also satisfy the second equation. So similarly you just verify our second solution. So this shows that these are the two solutions of the given question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.